Hello everyone. I just wanted to say I just got my pop-on veneers and I got them in natural white and I absolutely love them. I have been a dental professional for 20 years and I have some missing teeth that if I have them done by my dentist, they're $750 each for the implants and then another couple thousand per crown. So it's going to be a couple years before I get those done. What happened was I had a tongue ring and I was eating cereal and I bit into it and I broke a crowned tooth and two teeth that were root canaled, and they were not savable at that point. They had to be pulled. Well, as you can imagine, being a dental professional, I just left my mask on all the time so nobody could see my teeth. But now I am so proud of them. But let me just show you how easy they are to take off and put on. This is the neat little container that you get to keep them in when they're not in your mouth. It has a nice little mirror in it. And mine fit very well, very tight. So you can see my teeth without them. See, I have seen teeth here and here. And I have a big gold crown back there. So they match my teeth perfectly. I don't have an issue with talking. There's a tiny bit of a lisp. As I said, they fit really well. And they look so natural. No one has a clue. There is a little bit of a lisp, but as I tell my patients all the time when they get dentures, that the more you talk, the quicker the lisp will go away. So you just have to practice saying things like 66, church, things like that. And in a few days, you won't have any lisp at all. But I eat with them. I have no issues with eating with them. They just look amazing. And I think I'm going to get the spare pair in the Hollywood white just so I can really dazzle people. But I just wanted to say thank you, Pop-On Veneers. I absolutely love them. And they didn't put me in the poorhouse. Thanks.